So what we have to talk to you guys about now is we have these very cool camera mounts for the AutoGyro series. This is for the Cavalon, the Calidus, and the MTO. This fits on the strut, and this is what we shoot with. You'll see a lot of our videos, and this is the camera mount that we use. We're producing these guys now, and it took us a lot of R&D to figure it out. So we have a GoPro mount on the top with a loop for a safety wire in the case that something breaks. It'll keep your cameras from flying off. And on the other side, we've got a ball mount, 1-inch ball mount, also with a safety loop. But this is specifically made for the AutoGyro, Cavalon, Calidus, and MTO. If you want one of these guys, then give us a text. They're $149, and they are awesome. They're awesome, awesome camera mounts. That's what they look with cameras. That's what they look like by themselves. So ball mount, and then the GoPro mount, and then of course we have the famous Adventure Air logo on there as well. But very easy to use and very stable for your aircraft. So text us, let us know if you want one of these guys.
Hey everybody, it's Jeremy, and this is Marco.
Hey everyone, how you doing?
Marco is from Colombia originally and was most recently from Costa Rica.
Victor, the helicopter that'll be on final is restricted north of you.
Copy that, 107 Victor. Originally from Colombia, but he is most recently from
okay.
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. I was working in Costa Rica and Dole as a cropdusting, so I have a lot of experience in flying MTO and at a cropdusting too, and I was living also in Chile and other countries doing a special operation in gyrocopters and gyroplanes. So now I will have a fun flight with Jimmy and Sam for having me and on your flight. So having in Aviation Air now.
Yeah. So he's got all these ratings, over 1,500 hours total. Over 1,300 flying gyros, low to the ground, and with a payload and all that stuff. So his experience that he has, he brings a different experience to the table, which is really good. And he wants to become a flight instructor here with us, and we're going to try and help him do that. He's just getting all his ratings transferred over to the FAA.
To the left.
Okay, to the left, right. And getting everything transferred over to the FAA so that they'll get him his credentials here. And since he's done that, then he'll be on the roster. But yeah, it's
number 5352 Delta Chino ground certified.
It's really cool because we do get a lot of Spanish. Okay, so he is Spanish speaking primarily. He is working on his English, and we do have a lot of Spanish speaking students that want to come in, or prospective students. So that's going to be a good help as well. But today he's been helping me work on my landings and my takeoffs, trying to get that finessed with the 914 and in the Cavalon. And today we're going to practice some low to the ground maneuvering.
Sideways on rudder pedal. So
yeah, rudder pedal.
This is a maneuver for low flying. So Jeremy is getting new tips for how to fly gyroplanes without doors and low flight, and so sideways over the runway. We are practicing a lot of things today.
Yeah. So and today it's really hot. I don't know if you noticed the doors are off. It's in the mid to high 80s today, and it's only going to get hotter from now on. So yeah, it's a little bit different experience for me. I haven't flown doors off in a while. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes, and hopefully it'll be. You guys will stay with us the whole video and maybe learn something from us. All right? Cool.
Okay, guys, enjoy it. Cool. See ya.
So yeah, doors are off. We do have a sterile cockpit. No papers or any hardware inside the aircraft that's not connected to us. Where everything's in our pockets, our phones, batteries, anything we might need are in our pockets, so we're good to go. And we're lined up. Looks like somebody's on final, so I'll go ahead and make the call, and they'll probably tell me he's coming by.
Yeah, we have a traffic final.
Okay. Chino Tower, Gyro 117 Papa Victor is on Papa, holding short 26 right for right close traffic.
Gyro 117 Papa Victor, fly runway heading, I'll call the right turn and a 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, you'll call across, 26 right, clear for takeoff, 117 Pop Victor.
74, fly runway heading, extend upwind, contact the south tower 120.12. You can expect a left close traffic, he will call your left turn.
Alright, we're going to extend our upwind and we'll contact tower 12012 and they'll call our left, our right turn.
74, they'll call your left and they're going to be making left close traffic, just runway heading for now.
Roger, runway heading for now, 74.
That's a 734 to the Tango Chino Tower.
November 734 Delta Tango was 172 from Lake Matthew. Information unit form request full stop back to back.
Flight mode?
74 Tango Chino Tower left base, runway over the 15 feet, runway 26 right.
Just make sure.
Okay.
Take forward,
On.
2000 RPM.
2000.
Chino Tower, you're a bit wrong. You said left to base for 26 right, 734 Delta Tango.
Okay, Instructor being alive.
Departing Pride Arrival is a Gyrocopter. It's just a wash place for now. You can expect an earlier base in a second here.
Okay, Alpha, actually, first time around, I'd like to go to the east pads available and then we'll take it from there.
Over to Alpha, Roger, you can
70.
change to east pad, clear to land. Traffic over Alphaton will be landing 2 north of Alpha, east pad, clear to land.
Hey, Alpha, Roger.
200.
Look up there, 5 kilo, we're on 2 north of Alpha, clear to land. When 2 done is there, 5, we'll come to center, 75.
Stay back, release 2 right, throttle out, land.
Oh, okay.
That's a 4 Tango left base, over the 15 freeway, runway 26 right.
Right, speed alive. Very good.
Tango over the 15 freeway. Report of the Tango traffic 1 o'clock to 2 miles over Paradise westbound, Cessna 3000 indicated. Forward Tango maintain visual separation from that traffic.
Local, maintain the visual separation from the traffic cover for
Seems loud today with these guys.
Yeah, usually the windy flap. It's good. It's amazing, yeah, you know.
Yeah. So he's going to call my crosswind, I'll extend my upwind.
Oh, okay. Okay, you have 1000 now, you first reduction. Okay, perfect.
Nice today.
We are cleaning our instruments, our dreams. That's perfect. Keep continue flying. Yeah, we are good.
Gyro Papa Victor, just continue runway heading, cut the power lines so you can make right traffic.
Upwind to the power line. Right traffic, 117 Victor.
7 Charlie with Chino Tower.
So we're going to do low flight.
Low flight, okay.
Delta contact ground.
Delayed Delta, contact ground, 7 Charlie Lima.
So I need to keep a speed of at least 70 miles an hour?
Yeah,
Okay.
20 miles an hour. Perfect, bros. Bro.
Helicopter 2 Tango Alpha, extend down.
Please, a little bit your program.
Following, I believe, a land there on the right base, that's 3 mile final.
Head downwind, look for traffic on the right base.
That's a good approach. Let's throttle.
Less throttle?
A little bit. Yeah, 5%. That's it. Perfect. Continue. Good job, my friend. You are doing perfect job. Please a little bit, yeah. Excellent.
Go ahead and climb out.
Right now. Climb it. Full power. Remember, when you are climbing full power.
Helicopter 2 Tango Alpha, traffic is 1 o'clock in about a mile, 2 o'clock now, half a mile, 1,400 kid.
Traffic is right, copy, 2 Tango Alpha.
Helicopter 2 Tango Alpha, number 2, follow number, and a 2 to check for the option.
2 Tango Alpha, clear for the option.
Okay, 1000 for reduction.
After we move,
There's a 5 kilo base approved, following Gyrocopter, quarter mile final, runway 26 right, clear to land.
6 mile, 100 Gyrocopter, 5
Reserve Victor Romeo, left turn Echo, ground point 6, traffic on a 3/4 mile final.
Alright, we'll pick it up. Left turn on Echo, contact ground, 0 Victor Romeo.
Roger that. And were you parking north side actually?
We're going to go back, text back 26 left.
Roger that, left to Echo, thank you.
That's a good speed.
Okay.
Helicopter 1 Charlie Golf, Runway 21 north of Alpha, clear for takeoff. You
Yeah,
can make the right turn westbound
so
north of Alpha.
remember, your sector T is straight.
Clear for takeoff 21. Make the right turn north of Alpha. Watch where we go.
So, left rudder,
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
and you yeah.
and then cyclic that way?
Yeah, because
Okay.
you sort of like this.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Okay,
that's-
got it?
Yeah,
Got
yeah,
it?
I feel it. I feel
Got
it.
it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's
Do you feel now?
Yeah, I see what it is. I
Yeah,
see
okay.
I see what it is. Okay.
That's good.
I'll try doing the right side first next time.
Perfect, perfect. You can do it.
So let's do.
Whatever.
Frequency change group, get it?
Just pick out your right pedal if you want. Go ahead. Yeah.
Reserve
Watch out with your
contact
speed.
ground 0.6, good day.
Number 6, I can be right back with you.
You got it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What speed? What speed? Yeah.
That's hard.
Yeah, yeah, it's hard.
Jamming it.
Frequency change cruise expectation.
It's coordination, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get out.
Perfect.
It wasn't too stabilized with that.
Yeah.
I felt like we were just on the edge of
Yeah, because you need to coordinate your flight and feel
Yeah.
how your gyro is doing the flight, you know?
yeah. I just felt like I needed so much right pedal to put that in.
Yeah.
And I wasn't even yawing that much. So yeah, we'll do it. I'll do it with the left pedal next time to see
Yeah. Yeah,
how it works.
yeah. But you know better contour now. You are keeping the center line.
Yeah.
Yeah. Using right pedal, using left pedal. That's, for me, it's amazing. You
Yeah.
know?
Oh,
Because your progress is 100% positive, you know?
thanks. Okay, so we're gonna do left pedal.
Okay.
Left pedal this time.
Got
I think
it.
we have. It looks like we kind of have a
Zero
left,
Victor Romeo,
a left
contact ground.
crosswind here.
Or we change your speed and that's it.
Okay, speed's good. We're still descending, so
Yeah. Here is like a turn.
little bit left, yeah.
Yeah.
there we go. Yeah, still got a left crosswind over there.
Yep.
Speed up.
Good, my friend.
Okay, let's get over the center line. Oh, there we go. Got a little bit of flare there. So
Use.
pedal.
Yeah, and keep. Yeah, perfect. Speed. Speed. Yeah, perfect. Oh, man. Look at you. That's perfect job. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, yeah. Oh, Jeremy. Congrats, my friend. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. How do you feel?
That's good, yeah.
Look at center line.
Not as good as
Straight.
yours. Not as good as yours. Yours was better.
Yeah.
You did better.
No. That's amazing.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You are in the straight, like, oh.
Okay.
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Look at you, Commander. Wonderful. That's amazing job.
Thank you.
You're approaching, that's it.
Chino Tower, Bonanza 36, Lima Romeo, short of 26,
Yeah.
right, ready for departure.
The cover
216 frequencies, Bonanza 6 Lima Romeo,
That's
stand by
amazing.
for traffic for fun. And the other aircraft, go ahead.
No more, you just wait.
Yep.
087 Uniform Romeo, Chino Tower transition approved, Chino altimeter 2974, what's the destination?
Little bit more throttle, and do you maneuver. Amazing.
Let's see here. Let's do left pedal.
Verify off.
Left pedal, okay. Got it.
Romeo, my apologies.
Okay, more power, more power.
I felt the same.
Yeah. Good, good, good. Perfect, perfect.
Lima Charlie,
Yeah.
Chino Tower
Yeah,
residence.
no more power there.
Turn the right down, runway
That is
26
good.
right, and reduce speed as best you can. Or reduce speed.
Yeah, we got like that left crosswind right there.
Yeah, yeah, it's like we are flying
Uniform
this.
Romeo, squawk 7744.
This is a good exercise because when you have a strong crosswind, full
Yeah.
power goes. Great job. Excelente, amigo mío.
Thank you.
Air 4 Lima Romeo, just advise SoCal has stopped you at 2000, contact SoCal departure.
Hold on, thanks. Speed. Speed?
Yeah, I know. I'm slowing down.
November 0 Victor Romeo, traffic on midfield left
That
down.
was a flare.
Yeah, I know.
French Valley at technical 1550.
It's Gyro.
You're going to be looking 0 Victor Romeo.
Speed? Yeah. Now, let's throttle and wait. That's it.
Number 2 Foxtrot Golf. There's traffic up behind it to your right, circling the field at 2,100 indicated. They're about a mile and a half south. Are you verify you're going to French Valley?
2 Foxtrot Golf affirmative, going straight through French Valley, and I'll keep an eye out for that traffic on my right.
2 Foxtrot Golf, roger that. You can start your on-course turn, your discretion.
2 Foxtrot Golf, I can start my on-course turn when at my
Yeah, that was a
discretion.
lot of
Thank you.
flaring right there.
Yeah.
Tower Translator,
Yeah, because the
0
wind-
Victor Romeo.
Yeah, I was not expecting that. That's crazy.
Terrific.
All right, guys. Yeah, I forgot to say. So Marco is basically he's acting as a safety pilot for me. He will help me out with you know, changing the radio and all that stuff because you know, I've already proven I can do it as a pilot. You know, now I have my license. What everyone told me once I got it, I was like, I got a license to learn now. And yeah, my learning I feel like is accelerated a lot since I've gotten the license, and I've been flying a ton, just trying to build the hours in while I've got you know, the time to do it. And you know, he's helping me out a lot. He's getting experience training somebody as well. So when he finally does get his credentials and everything lined up here for the United States, then he'll be good to go, and we'll go from there. But yeah, comment if you made it this far. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps us out. We got a lot of stuff coming forward as far as videos and stuff like that. So you know, just keep watching, and we appreciate all your support. Until then, we will see you.
See ya.